Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a piece of gear designed for demanding situations, the BOBLOV M5 body camera. This particular model, the 64GB NO GPS style, is built with law enforcement and security professionals in mind, packing a lot of features into a durable, wearable package. Right off the bat, the video quality is impressive. The M5 records in 2560x 1440p at 30 frames per second, and it can capture still photos at a sharp 48 megapixels. This means you're getting really clear video details, which is crucial for evidence gathering. And it doesn't just perform well in daylight. It's equipped with 6 IR lights for night vision. This makes it excellent for use in low-light conditions or during nighttime security work, ensuring you capture important footage around the clock. One of the standout features is the battery life. It houses a substantial 4,200 milliamp hours rechargeable battery. A full charge takes about 5 to 6 hours, but once it's ready, it can support up to 12 hours of continuous recording when shooting at 1080p with the infrared lights off. It also boasts an impressive 15 hours of standby time. This kind of longevity is essential for those working long, high-intensity shifts where you can't always stop to recharge. Durability is another key aspect where the M5 shines. It's built with a tough ABS shell and carries an impressive IP67 waterproof rating. This isn't just splash resistance. It means it can endure heavy rain and even submersion in water for up to 30 minutes. On top of that, it's rated as 2 meters drop resistant. These features ensure the camera remains reliable and functional even in harsh environmental conditions, or if it takes an accidental fall. A really versatile addition is the included car suction bracket. This allows you to easily mount the M5 on a windshield, effectively converting it into a dash cam. It supports up to 12 hours of recording in this mode, with just a single click to start. What's great is that it operates independently and doesn't require the car ignition to be on, providing continuous monitoring and enhancing safety. Beyond just recording, the M5 is multifunctional. It handles video, audio, and photo recording, and you can play back footage directly on the device. It supports loop recording, which is handy so you don't run out of space, and it even includes red and blue flashing lights and an alarm sound. These extra features are specifically designed to meet the operational needs of law enforcement and assist in obtaining crucial evidence. For storage, this style comes with 64 gigabytes of built-in internal memory. It's ready to use right out of the box, and this capacity is sufficient to handle significant recording time, stated as being able to work for 8 hours with full-time recording. In the box, you'll find the M5 body camera itself, a USB cable for charging and data transfer, both a short 360-degree clip and a long 180-degree clip for versatile mounting options, a user manual, the car suction mount, and a car charger. Overall, the BOBLOV M5 presents itself as a robust and reliable body camera. With its high-resolution recording, excellent night vision, long-lasting battery, impressive durability, and versatile features like the dash cam mode, it appears well-equipped to handle the demanding requirements of security and law enforcement professionals needing dependable evidence capture.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.